It's been an exciting year, Happy.
It sure was, Daisy. 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching Canadian Critters. We appreciate each and every one of you.
Thank you for getting us to 500 subscribers. More exciting adventures coming this summer.
Alberta, snowstorm in May. I can't see a foot in front of my face.
Wow! Hey, what's this? A mysterious door!
Let's go through. Now hold on. I don't know about this. What could possibly go wrong?
Wait, we don't know where this goes.
I was walking along this morning, minding my own business, and these two squirrels flew up beside me, started cussing and screaming and hollering. Well, they're just as country as cornbread.
Excuse me, what are you?
Well, now bless your heart.
Texas Longhorn. How at your service. Pleased to make your acquaintance, Canadian neighbors.
Welcome to Texas, y'all. I'm Cyclone.
I'm Baby Rose.
You're in the Lone Star State, and I'm Midnight Ice.
It's nice and warm here. My fur just loves some humidity. Let's enjoy some cowboy culture. Well, yeehaw! Rodeos!
Mama, can we please see beautiful bluebonnets?
Texas is big and bold, like me.
Ooh. Oh. This is the biggest tree house I ever saw. Everything is bigger in Texas.
Everyone be careful while you're exploring. There are rattlesnakes here.
Don't worry about snakes, Ranger. That's my job.
Rattlesnakes are aggressive and excitable. When it comes to venomous animals, the rattlesnake reigns supreme. They're not like the snakes that you are used to, Scout.
I like a challenge.
Be cautious, Scout. They're extremely strong. Don't fight them unless it's absolutely necessary.
Stay close, my babies. Texas is the most snake-infested state.
Gross. Gross, Mama. I don't like slithery snakes. Keep them away from me, Scout.
A slithering nightmare. Gives me shivers. Sweet tea. My new favorite.
Texas-sized carrots and lettuce.
Howdy, y'all.
Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
There, Molly. It's okay. It's okay, Molly.
Happy!
Found you!
Raise our load. It's ready. Yay, there it goes. Up and away.
We can sleep in the sun, Hodgepodge, just like home.
Let's dig a Texas-sized burrow.
I hear something.
Sounds like a rattler.
He's mine.
Dig, 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 dig.
No! Ranger, Scout, somebody do something! You've messed with the wrong cattle dog.
Did I? Maybe you haven't heard. Don't mess with Texas.
Back up. Give us room. Stay still and calm, Scout.
Ranger, he got me. His venom is attacking my blood.
He won't win, Scout. You will have a good scar and a great story to go with it. All the best livestock guardian dogs have scars. Don't worry, friends. Vet's on the way.
Hello. I got here as fast as I could. Where's the patient?
There's two. They're right here.
We washed the bite and put a Band-Aid on Hailey.
Don't worry, Hailey. We'll get you fixed up and back home in no time.
We washed the bite and put a bandage on Scout, too.
Ranger, I'm scared.
Don't be, Scout. You've got this. Riding in an ambulance? Very cool.
We're coming too, Scout. We'll keep you safe.
No, my babies. You're staying home.
No, Mama. No. Scout needs us.
Bye, Ranger. See you soon.
Scout, you were very brave. It is time to rest now and get well.
You learned it.
Here, Scout, have some more sweet tea and beef brisket.
I failed. I didn't save the bunnies, and I got bit.
You did not fail. It just took some teamwork to beat the snake. There's no shame in resting in the house. Ranger did that once when he was hurt. So that means I'm just like Ranger. Yes, you are. Time to rest, Scout. We will keep an eye on your snake bite and make sure it doesn't swell up.
We will stay to watch Scout. Who wants to sing There Were Six in the Bed? Tell us the story again, Scout.
When I was in Texas, I was bitten by a rattlesnake.
Well, that's true grit if I've ever seen it. Show us the teeth marks, Scout.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. Big fangs.
Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.
Spots, is that really the best spot for you?